Hey guys, welcome to another night in shop. I'm Fred. Yeah, last night's video kind of was a little insufficient. So I got the brake off the welding cart, and I wanted to show you all the steps I went through when I did all the cam follower, the crank, and made all the little bits and pieces here. So let me give you a close-up and we'll start. Okay, so starting with the cam follower. I had to mill out this pocket again last night. It was just a little bit too narrow for this spring versus this spring that was inside of it. This has got a little more girth, a little more oomph to it, more spring power. So I had to, like I said, mill out that pocket there. Another 60 thou on each side to get this hefty spring in there. So, and so that was last night's little job. Then the little engage bar, which is also spring loaded, and I made the little handle that goes with it. Yes, I did chowder up the first one. I made it a little bit too small, threaded it too much. Yeah, I was not paying attention. That happens sometimes. So I've got the crank arm. Had it all glued in there when I was drilling these couple of holes here again last night. Turned the handle. So yeah, and I'll just put it all together here for you, and then after when I'm done, I will mount it to the cart and I'll give it a demo. So give me a second here to put it all together, and I'll come back. Okay, so there she is all together. So how this basically works, you pull the pin, put a little pressure on there, let her go, and she locks into place. And disengage, push down a little bit, pull the pin and let her out. Now, I went and built this little cup as well yesterday. This is 1.5 inch just aluminum that was a little piece that was laying around. I got a big bolt in there, a 1/2 inch stainless steel 20, I believe it is, bolt in there, and that screws into the bottom of this. Also machined a little piece of this dowel run to slip in there real tight, so it actually takes a little bit of the cushion on the floor and stops it from sliding around. So there we have it. So and that, hang on here, the lock nut on there, and that replaces that silly little lever that's on the side of the wheel that's on my welding cart. So let me get this installed, and I'll give you a little demo. This is not what do you call it, a big project. It was just it was time consuming back and forth from the mill to the lathe. And anyways, okay, so let's get this installed, and we'll get back. Hang in there. So there we go, guys. I just installed it on the cart. So in order to engage the brake, it's just a matter, I might have to move you out of the way here just a bit to the side. Make sure. There we go. So the little lever on the side actually engages and disengages. So just pull that out, push down, and it locks into place. That's that little spring I was talking about. That's inside the that little barrel I welded on. Anyways, so yeah, that job is complete now, finally. I don't have to dick around looking for the little cam, which is on this side of the wheel all the time. So yeah, that worked out well. So I'm glad I finished that. My son's also glad it's finished. He said it was a pain in the ass engaging and disengaging. Anyways, guys, yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, subscribing. I apologize for the last YouTube video. It was like down and dirty kind of thing. So again, I will be more detailed when I'm doing this sort of thing, so everybody gets a chance to learn something, and if you know it, great. But anyways, thanks again, guys. Have a great night.